Every day, Ted pushed himself to the limit, chasing a dream he believed in. Running a business by day and driving a 60,000-pound truck by morning and night. Long hours, constant pressure, and a mind that never stopped racing. Because driving a machine like this isn't like driving a car. It demands focus, precision, awareness. But one moment, one distraction, and he missed his turn. Right there, in the crossroads, he had a choice. Keep backing up in traffic to make the missed turn, or choose a new path, reposition, reroute, re-enter traffic, and finish safely. So he chose speed over safety. But what he couldn't see was already behind him. In seconds, a simple decision turned into a life-changing moment. No one was hurt, but the lesson stayed forever. Because life works the same way. Ted's mistake became a metaphor for life, career, business, and ministry. Disruptions don't have to be a setback. They can be a set-up for success. There's always a better path to a more preferred destination, but it does require being willing to change, to transform, to shift gears at the crossroads, and to reposition, rebuild, re-emerge, and realize the dream.